What's up everybody, welcome back to Alex Mercy Sky. And you know, for the zombie apocalypse, light is important, like making candles, you know, having good tools to kill zombies is very important. Today we're gonna teach you how to make candles out of household items. By the way, for this experiment, we wanna have fire extinguisher close by. Kids, do not try this at home, adults, supervision and all this good stuff. Let's get to it. For this candle, all we're gonna need is crayons. We're gonna grab the lighter and melt the front part of the crayon. And look at this, it's already light up. Just get the paper on fire and set it into the plate. Just like that. Be careful, don't get burnt. And we got homemade lighter, very simple. And if you have bunch of crayons, it will last you for like weeks, like 1 box of crayons. Very cool and simple candle. If you didn't know about that, thumbs up right now. 1 crayon pencil gonna last you at least couple hours. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Very simple trick, hope you liked it. All you need is crayons and you can have candles, very simple. There's many ways to do it, candles out of crayons, but this is the easiest way. Just stand them up, light them up and gonna burn for a few hours. Now KGB Survivalist gonna show his way how to make a candle, but you have to click over here and check out how to make it. And as always, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.
Today we're gonna be using very simple ingredients, household stuff. Alright guys, let's see what we can do.